YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video with you guys today, man. Yo, I know it's been a while. It's been a little more than a week, but still getting this video off at some point in this week, man. Like I said, I told y'all before, work is picking up like crazy right now. As you can see, I'm not in my usual location. I'm actually in a hotel room. I have to stay in a hotel 2 nights a week for work. That's just how busy work is right now, but things are going great. This phase of work will be over in about 3.5 weeks though, and then I'll be able to get back to my regularly scheduled programming, man. But if you guys are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Really helps us hit our goal. The end goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. We are currently at 815 at the time of me recording this video. Also, make sure that you go ahead, smash that like button, man. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel, helps more people see videos that usually wouldn't have, and could potentially, you know what I'm saying, help us hit our goals of 1,000 by the end of the year. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, particularly one of the sneakers I'm going to be talking about today. So, you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. I recently picked up 2 Grail-ish sneakers, man. And if you follow me on the anonymous Sneakerhead Instagram, you already know what one of those are, and I'll explain to you why these are Grail-ish sneakers, right? So one of my Grail, and I don't even know if I would call it one of my personal Grails, but it is a shoe that I am really interested in, and I know a lot of other people would consider this shoe a Grail, and that is the Nike, I don't even know what the official name of it is other than just the mag, the Nike mag, Back to the Future shoe, self-timed, all of that. That's on a lot of people's Grail list, but that shoe is reselling for about $20,000, give or take $5,000 in either direction, depending on size. Now, this morning, like I said, if you follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, you would have seen my post a little bit after 10 o'clock being notified that I was able to secure my pair of the Nike Adapt BB in the mag colorway, the 2.0, the Nike Adapt BB 2.0 in the mag colorway. And I'm super excited to get them in hand, man. I was thinking about maybe getting them to resell. I mean, the resale on them is looking okay right now. Maybe you can make couple $100. But after looking at the shoe, and I'll talk about it more when I get in hand, there's one thing on it that I previously thought, and then after looking at more detailed pictures, it's a little different, and I might actually like it more now. But like I said, I'll see when we get it in hand. I'll tell you guys what that is when that video comes. But really excited to, even if I do end up selling them, just get that unboxing in there, open up the shoe, see how it works charging it, see how the lacing mechanism works. I've never owned a pair of, obviously, the original mag, but I never owned the Earls, the first ever Earl electroadaptive reactive lacing system trainer. I didn't have the second version of the trainer. I didn't have the first Adapt BB sneaker, which I personally, at least in the mag colorway, I think I like the Adapt BB 1 maybe a little better than the Adapt BB 2. The 2 is a little more futuristic, but the mag colorway in the first one I think just looks cleaner, looks smoother. I don't know, but it is what it is. Super excited to get those in hand. Let me know down below if anybody went for those, if anybody has owned any previous Adapt sneakers, self-lacing sneakers. Those of you guys who have been around the channel know how I feel about not even self-lacing sneakers, but just sneaker technology in general, man. So it's a shoe that I am super excited to just see how it works. I'm really big into Nike technology, whether it's their cushioning, different ways they place their airbags, their zoom units, React cushioning, Cushline cushioning, everything they're doing right now with the M354 program. Especially, I think I left them in my car, but especially the Zoom Type right now. That's my most worn shoe since I got them, so definitely my most worn shoe of the month right now, man. Absolutely love the Nike, everything that Nike does from an innovation standpoint, going all the way back to their cushioning systems, to Fly Ease, which is another very slept-on technology that Nike uses, allowing people with different disabilities to get sneakers and put them on. So the Fly Ease technology is absolutely dope. Everything they did from Flyknit to the little pull cord system that they now have on the Vapor Max 3, or whatever Vapor Max this is this year. The pull cord system that they have on there. They also had it on the Space is Trash collection. Or This is Trash collection, the Space Hippie collection. And speaking of the Space Hippie collection, that's another great innovation in Nike technology, man. Nike is the leader, regardless of how you feel about what looks better or who's a better brand or who has more hype or blah, 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 blah. Fuck all the hype, forget everything else. Nike is the world leader in innovation when it comes to footwear, period. And it's amazing. I love what they're doing. They've made self-tying sneakers a thing of the present. They're no longer a thing in the future. They're slowly getting more and more and more affordable. They went from $500 to $450 to $400 to $350. 4 or 5 years from now, man, you'll be able to get some self-tying shoes, I honestly believe, for that $200 to $250 price range. But like I said, man, super excited to get these in hand. And then there is one more sneaker that I want to talk about. Like I said, I did pick up 2 Grail-ish sneakers. And what I mean by Grail-ish sneakers, just like how these are kind of a callback to the original Nike mag, I also got a shoe that is a callback to a previous Nike collaboration, and that is the only hint I will give you guys. Some of you may know what it is. It's a shoe that's flown under the radar. It came out maybe a week ago, 2 weeks ago, but it's I think it flew under the radar. Didn't get the hype it deserved. But after seeing it, and this is a shoe that was actually on my Grail list, at least the shoe that it may or may not be based off of. So it's nice to at least get a little taste of it and see it in hand. So I am super excited for those to get in as well. Not sure actually, because I just bought those yesterday. Not sure when either will get here, whether those will get here or when the BBs will get here first. But whichever one gets here, you'll obviously get an unboxing. You'll definitely get an on foot on the I almost said the name of it. You'll definitely get an on foot on that second Grail-ish sneaker. I don't know about the Adapt BBs, if you'll get an on foot there. I'll see what resale prices are doing, and there is one little detail that I do want to check out. If it is how I'm starting to believe it is, then I'll definitely keep the shoe, because that's dope. But we will see, guys. That is it for this video, man. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. Once again, those of you that have been around, I am sorry for the change of background, the change of scenery. But a couple videos over, like I said, the next 3.5 weeks may be coming in a similar situation, just because of my work situation. I have to stay in a hotel 2 nights a week, but it is what it is, man. Thank you guys for watching the video, man. If you made it this far, make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button, man. You were entertained if you sat through this and made it this far. You were at least interested. And speaking of interest, if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the channel. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. All of that, man. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow that Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, man. You get a lot of information up there first. Like I said, I posted about my dub on the Adapt BBs this morning. I posted about a bunch of other different things there. Kicks of the day, polls on the story, questions on the story, all of that stuff, man. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.